Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Gad Talks. Today I will be showing you a short video of a review of the EX16 smartwatch fitness tracker. So I have had a watch similar like this, which is the EX18 and the Z-Blaze Vibe 3. So I thought it would be a good idea to also run a review on the EX16, which is a very similar watch to the other two. Except this one, you could probably get it for under $25, depending on the website and the seller that you choose to buy it from. So let's get started. With the EX16 smartwatch, you can tell that, this is actually a very rugged smartwatch. It is a sport watch, shock resistant. So you can tell, it's pretty armored, pretty thick. It's a nice smartwatch. For this watch, you do not need to charge it on a regular basis, as you can see it carries a lithium battery. So it's standard watch battery. You just have to get it replaced once in every year or so. And this watch comes in a very standard format, just like the EX18, which has 4 buttons. And it has call reminders according to these icons. You can download an app for it, which syncs your health data and your fitness data to your phone. You also have your, you could track your steps, it looks like. You could track your calories burnt. You also have call and message reminders. And you also have a remote camera shutter. So if you wanted to take a picture with your watch remotely to your phone, you can do that as well, which is a pretty handy feature. Now this watch is an IP67 waterproof watch, so it could sustain quite a bit of water, which is not surprising just by looking at how heavily and rugged armored this watch is. It comes in it looks like a partially steel case with some pretty cool indicators. So this is something that you would expect, like a Timex watch, but it also tracks your fitness data, and with some phone message and reminder features. The band here is made out of silicone, which is nice. You can actually take it into the water and not be afraid that it's gonna be damaged like a leather band, which is what I prefer over. And overall, let's try to put this watch on and see how it looks. So it's definitely not a small watch after you put it on, but it definitely has some, a very cool appearance to it. So I do like it. This is something I would want to wear to an outdoor occasion, but not necessarily, something that you would wear to a more formal or even just to hang out. So this is a very cool watch. I do recommend it. You can get this watch for about $25 or even less, depending on the website and the seller that you choose to get it from. Okay, so this is my short review of this watch, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, a share, or subscribe to my channel. And if you guys do decide to purchase this watch, I have included links below to trusted sources, which are on Amazon and eBay, for which I am an affiliate of. So if you guys do decide to purchase with my links below, in the video description, I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you very much for watching, and we will be back with you with another video very soon.